This Chevrolet Impala delivers a gas/ethanol V6 3.6 liters/217 engine powering this automatic transmission. Transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled with overdrive, STD, seats, front bucket, STD. Premier Preferred Equipment Group includes standard equipment. This Chevrolet Impala comes equipped with these options. Midnight Edition appearance package includes Q7P, 19 Special Midnight Edition black painted pocket wheels, SFC, black bow tie, LPO, VAT, blacked out grille, LPO, T43, rear spoiler end, VEB, pedal cover set, LPO. Enhanced convenience package includes KU1, ventilated driver seat, KU3, ventilated front passenger seat, UVD, heated steering wheel, N38, power tilt and telescoping steering column, A45, driver seat, outside mirrors and steering wheel memory settings, UG1, universal home remote, B58, premium carpeted front and rear floor mats, B36, carpeted trunk mat, DD8, auto dimming inside rear view mirror and DLG, outside heated power adjustable mirrors with turn signal indicators, ground illumination and driver side auto dimming feature. Advanced technology package includes UQS, Bose premium surround sound 11 speaker system, K4C, wireless charging, and KI6, 120 volt power outlet, LPO, surround grille, LPO, pedal cover set, LPO, black bow tie, jet black/dark titanium, perforated leather appointed seat trim, engine, 3.6 liters DOHC V60i with variable valve timing, VVT 305 horsepower, 227.4 kilowatts, at 6,800 revolutions per minute, 264 pounds-to-foot of torque, 356.4 Nm, at 5,200 revolutions per minute, STD, engine block heater, black. Visit us today. Come in for a quick visit at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3 to claim your Chevrolet Impala.